So welcome back to my channel Captain Fearless. So as you have seen in my title of my video, so today I'll be telling about what are the things the ex-DGA senior inspector have told on the regarding on Gaurav Taneja sir and Air Asia and what he thinks. So he is Captain SS Panesar. He has retired as a director of flight safety director, worked for DGA senior fast flight inspector for Boeing 737 and Airbus A320. So he has almost 25,000 hours of experience. So Captain Panesar has a YouTube channel. He has mentioned in the video that he has come across a video which is Gaurav Taneja sir's. So he has started the video with the accident occurred in Lufthansa Airlines 60 years back. So Lufthansa also started such kind of thing same to Air Asia, which is low drag profile approaches just to save fuel. In this, the pilots were said to open their landing gear just before landing for saving fuel. So once a pilot didn't got any warning, so he landed with landing gears up. So Lufthansa realized that for low drag profile, they lose the profit that they have made. The aircraft was very badly damaged, so due to which Lufthansa had to took it back. So if you guys have not subscribed my channel, please guys subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos of mine. So let's resume the video again. So after this incident, Lufthansa made a decision that no changes will be made in any flaps etc. after being established on ILS and concentrate on good approach and landings and not on saving fuel. So if you guys have not watched my Indigo Cadet Pilot Program FTO comparison video, so please go and watch. So I have made a comparison video of each FTO of Indigo Airlines, and if you are deciding of joining Indigo Cadet Pilot Program, then it will be very helpful for you to find out which is the best FTO for you. So Captain Panesar found that low drag profile is not safe at all in India, because in India there are several airports where you have to land full flap like in high altitude, like in Imphal. So Imphal have a low glide slope in which you will have to land. You will have to use full flap in monsoons, and in northeast regions the monsoon seasons are very notorious. So for safety you will have to use full flap. So Captain SS Panesar liked the way Gaurav Taneja sir has raised his voice, and it is very important too because it compromised the passenger's life. Yes, it is very risky because just to save each drop of fuel, the airline can do anything. So they in Air Asia, the pilots are forced to do 97% almost like this to flap 3 landing and 2% flap full landing just to save fuel. So many of might have a question arising that how flaps can usually save fuel. So in aircraft there are 4 types of flap configuration, which is flap 1, flap 2, flap 3 and flap full, which is also known as flap 4. So this is used so flaps are used for slowing down the aircraft, and it is like a braking system in the aircraft. So flaps is used, it produces drag which slows down the aircraft. So I'll be making a dedicated video on flaps and the principles of flight. So do consider subscribing so that you don't miss those videos and any future videos of mine. So please guys subscribe my channel and please guys support my channel. So flaps are usually so in flap 4 it consumes more fuel, so in flap 3 it consumes less fuel. So flaps produces drag, so the Air Asia forced pilots to use flap 3 so that less fuel will be consumed by the aircraft. So he has told the airline that you have trained the pilots for different airports and he is a good pilot, so the airline should leave him for deciding which flap setting he will use for landing. So he has appreciated Taneja sir for having an engineering background. So those of you do not know about Gaurav Taneja, so he is a pilot too, and he has an engineering degree from IIT Kharagpur. He has told the airline to be proud of it and use him in flight safety department, use his technical background in the safety of the airline, and told DGCA to make use of him. He again mentioned that lead the pilots to make their own decision and not to force the pilot just to get bonus and not to compromise passengers' life just for saving fuel. So then SS Panesar told about the future of the aviation in India, and he told that the future of aviation in India is very bright. So if you guys have not watched my Indigo Cadet Pilot Program CA video, so please go and watch. If you have decided to join CA, I mentioned everything about the cost, what is included, visa, accommodation, everything. So please go and watch, and you can check my channel. So if you find my videos informative and it will help you a lot, then please consider subscribing, and please guys support my channel. So here comes the end of our video. If you guys like this video, like it, share it, and please guys subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any future videos of mine. And thank you for watching.